We learn many things in life: how to study, how to work, how to earn money. But hardly anyone teaches us how to manage money properly. So we start earning, we start spending, we start living. And after a few years, we realize, I should have learned this earlier. Today, I'm sharing powerful money lessons that can save you years of stress and help you build a strong financial future. Welcome to Smart Money Insights Lab. Here, we simplify money, saving, investing, budgeting, debt, and long-term wealth. No hype, no confusing terms, only practical advice you can use. Let's begin. Let's start with something important. Money is not just about numbers. It's about decisions. What you do when you're stressed. What you do when you're excited. What you do when things go wrong. Two people can earn the same income. One grows financially, one struggles. The difference is habits. Learning to control emotional spending is a major step toward success. Next, let's talk about income. A job pays your bills, but it doesn't guarantee freedom. Real security comes from building things that grow over time. Investments, skills, side income, assets. When money starts working for you, life becomes easier. Now here's another key lesson. Saving is not about suffering. It's about planning. When you save first, spending becomes controlled. When you spend first, saving becomes difficult. Make saving your first habit, not your last option. Let's move to the next point. Higher income feels good, but higher expenses come quietly. Better phone, bigger house, more shopping. If you're not careful, nothing improves. A smart move is simple. Save part of every raise, then enjoy the rest. Now let's talk about investing. Investing is not about getting rich fast. It's about staying consistent. Regular investing, strong companies, long-term thinking, calm mindset. Time is your biggest advantage. Start early. Stay patient. Next sign of smart money management is preparation. Life brings surprises. Without savings, every problem feels heavy. With emergency funds, you stay calm. Aim for a few months of expenses. It's not luxury, it's protection. Now let's discuss debt. Debt controls your future income. Every payment limits your choices. Less saving, less investing, less freedom. Using credit carefully keeps your life flexible. Here's something many people forget. You don't need perfect plans. You need steady habits. Saving monthly, learning regularly, investing slowly. Small actions repeated over time create big results. Let's move ahead. Money without direction disappears. When you know what you're building toward, security, freedom, family, peace, your spending becomes smarter. Purpose brings discipline naturally. Final lesson. Waiting feels safe, but it's expensive. Waiting for confidence, waiting for knowledge, waiting for the perfect time. Progress starts with action, even small action, even imperfect action. Here's what you can do this week. Track your spending, save something, automate one habit, learn one new thing, review monthly. Keep it simple, stay consistent. These lessons won't make you rich overnight, but they will make your life calmer, your decisions clearer, your future stronger. Money is not about showing off. It's about building control. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to Smart Money Insights Lab, and comment below. Which tip helped you the most? See you next time.